right, welcome to our special limited edition cocktail kit. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you the unboxing of our limited edition cocktail kit, which is just for fun. It's we didn't order a ton of these, so grab one while you can. And we're going to talk about all the fun things in the cocktail kit. If you want to make your own cocktail mini album, there's some recipe cards in there. There's some fun recipes exclusive to Mr. Cocoa Daisy, Mr. Daisy that he made. And this actually is the Maybe Daisy. This is not part of the cocktail kit. However, this is the one that we are talking about during our unboxing for our July collection. So make sure you check out as he walks you through this cocktail, which is really good. This is the official Cocoa Daisy cocktail. And so we will provide, if you go to the fan page on Facebook, we have a card, a printable card that will have this recipe. We do that every month for you. So you can take all of those cards that you've been collecting and you can include those in with your cocktail kit and make a little mini album if you want to, or again, use the stuff however you want. It's cocktails, it's fun. So enjoy the unboxing. This is gonna be so fun. I really hope that, I hope you were able to grab one of these, and I can't wait to show you this. This is fun. It's a very limited release. It's more of a selfish thing that I wanted to do that I just think is fun because we have our little cocktail time with Mr. Daisy each month, and more and more we enjoy being in his little tiki bar downstairs. And so I thought that it would just be really fun to do a limited edition cocktail kit. So let's take a look at what is in here. We've got some fun things for you. Hopefully you can make your own little cocktails at home, or even make a little album with some recipes and such in there. So first off, you actually get a couple of the little cocktail umbrellas and the little cocktail picks. So if you do decide to make a couple of your very own little cocktails, you have those in the kit. I thought that was just fun. Obviously, if you're creating an album, you can even use these as embellishments. You can carefully dismantle this and lay it flat if you wanted to, but go ahead and make a cocktail and use those. As always, drink responsibly. So we have our fun little Simon. Had to do a Simon with a cocktail. And if you will notice, actually, we're going to include it with the listing. A while back, we did some fun tote bags with Simon on them holding. So now this could be a mojito. Actually, I like to think of it as a coconut sour, which is my favorite cocktail. So I look at it like Simon's holding a coconut sour, but it could be a mojito if you wanted to say that as well. So he is got his tie loosened up. He is done with work. He is at home. He is relaxing, and he is having a little cocktail. So that is our little Simon clip. Set of glitter dots in here. Always fun to have those. So if you are going to create a little mini album, that is a fun way to do it. So obviously you can use this in any way. You can use this to create your own little cocktail mini album, book. You can bind these in a disc or ring bound. The other thing that you can do, you can use these in your memory keeping if you want to. You can use these bits and pieces in your planner. You can do whatever you want with this stuff. It's just fun. And I hope that that's the way that it is taken as well. It is just fun if you enjoy Mr. Daisy's cocktails, or you enjoy having a cocktail or creating your own. It's just a lot of fun to do. So the die cuts, let me go through these real quick for you. Cocktail, because no great story ever started with someone eating salad. So, and there's just a lot of fun little images in these die cuts. I think you could do a lot of fun. So Mr. Daisy I made him for Father's Day last year. I made him a mini album for his bar that has all of his drinks. And so I add to it every time we come up with one, or every time we feature one at Cocoa Daisy Reveal, I add that into his book, and he can take notes, he can add things, so it's a really fun booklet. And I may, actually what I'll do is during our live chat on the night of the 28th, we do our live chat on Facebook or Instagram at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll make sure I have it with me, and so I can show you, because it turned out really, really neat. It's a fun album, and he keeps that down in his bar as well. So lots of cute little die cuts. Those are stickers. And then you get 8 cards. And these are all recipe cards. So like I said, when I mentioned that you could make a mini album, you could use these as dividers if you wanted to. You could create your own if you just use some of the pattern paper that's in here and some white cardstock. You could add your own recipes to this. And so you could bind this with a couple of jump rings or one jump ring or in a small binder. And then you would have your own little cocktail booklet. So we tried to pick some of the more common drinks. There's also some drinks in here that are ones that Mr. Daisy and I created. Some of them we've done in the past. I think there's one in here that's brand new. So we have the mojito, and then on the back of that, you have the ingredients and the directions. So it is like a true recipe card. The Mai Tai, which is Mr. Daisy's favorite go-to drink. The Wrecked, which is one that he created, that is the bar favorite. That is the bar go-to cocktail, is the Wrecked. And I don't know that we've ever featured that, but that is a really fun one. The Traveler is another one that we came up with that is a favorite. But I think we may have, way in the past, I think we may have featured that one time. The Pina Colada, which we just did last month. The Gin Gimlet. And then the Snow Day in Paradise, which is one of them that we came up with and featured before as well. So some of our favorites, lots of different variety and fun with these. So you get those 8 recipe cards. You get a set of alphas in that pretty blue that matches. And then you get this amazing stamp set. I adore this. So make sure you check out the July stamping tutorial. I show you a bunch of ideas on how to use these and layer them. You basically can make your own little cocktails with the straws, the little umbrella, the mint leaves, the cherry, the pineapple slice, the lemon or the lime slice, and then some fun little sayings. So there's a lot of different ways that you can use this great stamp set. I love that. And in the past, what we've done when we've done special kits is we've had the kit and then we offer a bundle with a sticker set. And this was just kind of a fun thing that we're doing. We didn't do a huge run on this, and I wanted to keep it simple. So we did a couple of sticker sheets and included them right in the kit. So that's why you see this is a little different. There's not a separate sticker sheet that was bundled with it. There's just a couple sticker sheets that we included in here. And this one has all of these great fun sayings, and this is the vellum sheet. And then these are the decorative ones here. So you get those two as well. You get a lot in here. This is such a fun set. And a sheet of rub-ons. Get a sheet of rub-ons in there. Oh, I gotta show you the washi tape too. And then a beautiful overlay with the lemon slices. And then this, and this is just for Mr. Daisy because he loves his tiki. And so it has, and I don't know if you can see that, it has that beautiful gold foil on there. And it's the tiki totems or masks. So super, super fun. I love that bit of gold foil on there. And then you get 6 sheets of pattern paper. These pattern papers are not included anywhere else. So these are exclusive to this kit. The fun little cherries and then the fun little tikis. And I loved this one. I thought that was really, really neat. And then cute little people hanging out. One guy's got his little ukulele. Actually looks like my oldest son, Nate. and then the lines. So again, they're double-sided. You get 6 sheets of those. And then let me show you the washi tape, which I had pulled out. You will get a roll of washi tape, and it has the cute little cocktail umbrellas. How adorable is that? So you get all of that in this special order cocktail kit. I'm excited to share this with you. I think it is super, super fun. Again, it's very limited. This will be available to our subscribers first. Any remaining will then be available to the general public on June 1st.